doing? Just, I gotta answer some messages. My phone can unlock. Today is the first day of summer, and I kind of wanted to sort of document it because it's a special situation this summer. I would normally use my phone camera going about outside, but there is one camera I haven't used in a while. Ta-da! Do you guys remember these? This is a GoPro. Yeah, we're going to use it throughout the day. It's gonna be so action-packed. I'm actually going hiking though, I will say. We'll take this guy along with me. Hopefully the audio isn't crappy. To go in like 15 minutes. Hello, this is hot dog eating with Cai Ping. Ta-da! First up, we have this, whoa, it's a mozzarella dog. I'm literally just gonna eat it over the bag because I'm too lazy to get a plate. Okay, ate that dog. That dog felt, I don't know, it was like, it's not too filling, but it's like, it felt like there was a lot in it. I'm not sure how to describe it. Hot dog. Ramen dog is next. Let's try this plain. Wow, it's so nice. With the sugar. So I was gonna eat this one. This is the Gamsong dog and it is massive and I'm kind of full. So I'm going to take it with me when I go hiking later. Hello. So, okay, we are back in my room. I'm gonna work on some stuff right now. I'm feeling kind of sleepy because that happens whenever I eat carbs at lunch. This guy's done charging. Let's see how it is. Oh, okay, I thought I wasn't gonna turn on for a second. I was like, no! I brought this camera thinking that this would be like a mega hike, but it's like just a park. And the view is still really nice though, and I'm glad that this lens is like, has a wide view so you can see a lot more. Look at all that. Yeah, I'm gonna turn on the fisheye of this. Much better. Never been in like on a trail that like cuts through a residential area. I'm gonna get some boba right now on the way home. Are we surprised? Are we surprised? That's what we're getting. Awesome. Thank you. Thanks. You see that? What's up? We are back home early. Tadrian is online to watch Hollywood and I'm gonna launch that. Send each other the link and I have to open Google Chrome because this is a Google Chrome extension. Here we go. Tay is online. Yay. Okay, let's go. Update, we literally watched 2 episodes instead of 1. I ended up eating my hot dog because it was in my bag. We are going to have salad and probably some pita chips and dip. Okay, looks like I'm gonna eat my salad first because here it is.
Start with America's most awarded network, offered at a price built for everyone and on a phone everyone loves. iPhone 11 on us when you buy select iPhones, because everyone deserves the best.
This and this, amazing. I've honestly been a little bad at drinking good old H2O today. Alrighty, wow, this is really badly lit. I'm so glad I never filmed at this angle until now. But we're gonna go take a shower. You're not coming with me. Okay guys, let's put the camera down and go to sleep. But thank you so much for following me on my first day of summer, even if it was a little crooked or shaky like it is now. Good night.